I'm Rob Roy Collins. I'm an escape artist from Newcastle upon Tyne in England. I'm over here as part of the St Catherine's Buskerfest. I'm going to be performing my handcuff and chain escape. But before we do that, I'm going to be hanging upside down from a helicopter in flight, 60 to 70 foot off the ground, hanging upside down by my ankles, attempting to escape from a straitjacket, a regulation straitjacket. This is something that only a few people in the world have ever performed.
You think you can do it, right?
Absolutely, no doubt about it. If I don't, this is going to look terrible. You know, you've all come to watch this, but I won't let you down. I will do this. I just hung from a helicopter, escaped from a straitjacket, I did it.
First time from a coffin?
First time.
How many times have you done this before? Anything with a straitjacket?
Second big thing I've done, but this is by far the biggest. I might never do that again. So I'm enjoying every second of that. Yeah. Wow. Hey, this is Rob Roy. You're watching Mock Talk.
Yeah, Rudy.
Mock Talk.